The creative capabilities of generative AI can help enterprises harness its power and boost productivity. Here's how you can use Gen AI in your customer support with Communicate. Communicate can train your chatbot on any document with just a click. Communicate can train your chatbot on URL links with just a click. Communicate chatbots can be integrated with ChatGPT with just a click. Let's walk into the features one after the other. Here, all you need to do is upload the document that you want to train your bot on, and done. Your chatbot is now ready to answer any query related to the document. As you can see, the bot is now able to answer using the content from the document. Next comes the Web Chatbot Trainer. You can connect with your Help Center, FAQs, or any other URLs and train your bot with a click. Copy and paste the URL of any website page you want to train your bot on, and done. Your chatbot is now ready to answer any query related to that web page. Let's give it a shot. There you go, it is now ready to answer to any query from the given URL. It's now able to respond to queries from both the sources. But what if the user asks some random question to your bot? Is it smart enough to still answer? Yes, it is. Go to your bot settings and integrate your bot to OpenAI's ChatGPT with just a toggle. Now your bot can answer queries using the ChatGPT feature as well. There you go. Have you tried Communicate's generative AI-powered chatbots? If you haven't, sign up for free using the link in the description and try it now. Have a unique use case for your business? Get a customized demo for your business with our solutions expert using the link in the description. We are neither slowing down nor stopping. We are constantly working to bring you more features. Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned.